When we think of Islam, as I mentioned earlier, that sometimes we're just born into a family and we haven't understood Islam. So it is possible to grow up in a culture or a tradition and not understand that. And that's the reason why many Muslims have to go back to the roots of their deen and understand it on the core. So there is a possibility. And as Shaykh also mentioned, that you can be Muslim all your life, yet somehow it's possible that Islam or the light of Islam has not touched you. And often you find that your hearts have not changed or been affected. So, and that's where your practice of fasting and praying salah, even dua, becomes something mechanical, that you're praying because you know it's accepted in the community. And I'm not saying everybody's like that. We go through a journey. Because remember, we are human beings, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that we are going to fall weak, we are going to stray from the path. But, again, we're reminded through the Quran and through the Sunnah that, the son of Adam will sin, will continue to sin. But the best of those people will be those who repent from their sins and come back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it's okay that people are treating it maybe as a culture or even a tradition, but what we're trying to revive and what we're saying is that Ramadan is a time that everyone is invited back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to revive your hearts. Because yes, our hearts have become cluttered and dusty, and we need to spring clean our souls. And the time to do that is definitely Ramadan.